What's up guys, I'm Chris Durante and I'm going to teach you a very important skill that you'll use in college and beyond. It's important that you learn this to avoid embarrassing yourself in a situation where you could really shine. Of course I'm talking about how to make a shot in Pong. Most people would think all you do is throw a ball into a cup, but they would be wrong. The Pong shot is a very niche and coveted skill that requires precision and practice. So without further ado, here's how you'll succeed in making your first Pong shot. Alright, so the first step to any Pong game is setting up the rack correctly. So usually in most games you would play with 10 cups on each side, but for all intents and purposes we can work with 6. So first step is you're going to make a triangle like so. Start with 3 cups, then in between cups 1 and 2 put that cup, and you're going to put the next cup, and finally you're going to put one more cup, and that makes a rack. The next very important and legal step is filling each cup with a little bit of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, as you'll see, I didn't fill the cups up that much. You only need a little bit of water in each cup as to hold the ball in place. Alright, so now here's where the action starts. And all you're going to need, a ping pong ball, confidence, and steady hands. The next important step is getting your shot set up. So, what most people do, there's a very big mistake, is they have their feet too close together. That means you're going to be unbalanced, you're going to be all over the place, you're not going to be able to throw accurately. What you're going to want to do is have your feet a little bit spread out, knees bent, athletic position, nice and loose, you're steady, your eyes are on the target, and you'll be able to shoot accurately. Alright, now it's time to shoot the ball. Right off the bat, one of the most common mistakes in Pong is how to align the ball with your arm. A lot of people will grip the ball like that, throw it overhand. That's not correct. What you're going to want to do is from here, rotate your wrist 90 degrees, like that. You're going to let the ball just roll over your fingers like so. It'll be more straight, it'll have topspin, and it'll sink right in the cup exactly how you want it to do. Here we got it from the side angle. You're going to want to get your arm at a 90-degree angle, elbow at a good 90 degree with your torso. And just from here, ping pong ball is very light. You're just going to want to extend and follow through and release at a little bit higher than your shoulder height, like here. Just to get that good arc, roll that ball very nicely. Yeah. Alright guys, now we're going to put it all together. As we remember, you want to get an athletic stance, feet pretty far apart, knees a little bit bent. You want to get the ball in the right grip in your hand. Like I said, not overhand. You're going to want to rotate it 90 degrees so your thumb is on top of the ball. You're going to bring it back. Your elbow should be 90 degrees with your torso. Now, we're just going to extend and follow through, like so. So, as you can see, the Pong shot is a lot more complicated than people once thought. And as you practice and get better using the core steps I provided to you, you'll be able to perform various shots such as behind the back, bounce shots, calling islands, all that great stuff with practice and over time. So I hope you enjoyed the video and shoot more Pong.